Not something you expect to hear at 34 years of age.
Plus, how doctors here are able to find cancer instantly. A special report on this cancer detector.
It is. Melanoma, a form of skin cancer that's so deadly, but it's one of those cancers that's also so treatable if detected early.
And now a new device is making a world of difference in the accuracy of detection. Catherine Bosley has more on what's called MelaFind.
So how many moles have you had removed?
I lost count, but I would say probably over 70.
And with that, 42-year-old Gordon Thompson knows he's lucky to be alive, finding himself in a war.
So we're usually looking for the darker moles
against skin cancer.
Ones with asymmetries to them.
Started 12 years ago when his first mole biopsy came back positive.
I was nervous as could be. It just not something you expect to hear at 34 years of age.
The battle scars covering his back. But now, a new weapon on his side called MelaFind.
Very first tool that we have approved by the FDA to detect melanoma and analyze a mole in a way that's painless.
Dr. Lydia Parker, one of the first dermatologists in our area to get it. First, she has to identify suspicious moles. Then the machine, just pressed against the skin for a minute, will let her know if she's right or wrong right away. The computer screen shows it at work as the light penetrates under the skin.
It takes a 3D image of the mole. We look at the mole in layers deeper and deeper into the skin. It analyzes 75 different features of the mole and comes up with an instant numerical score.
Basically a second opinion, which can make all the difference, including cutting down on having to cut up a patient with those just-to-be-safe biopsies.
In fact, if you look closely, you can see Gordon just had a couple of spots removed recently before MelaFind was used on him. And if it was used, he probably wouldn't have had to have at least this one done.
I absolutely love it.
But his favorite part about it, the life-saving potential. MelaFind is a whopping 98% accurate, uses guided missile navigation technology. Sounds incredible, and it needs to be, with skin cancer steadily on the rise.
Every hour, one American dies of melanoma, so it's all too common.
But the device is all too new for insurance companies right now, with that expected to change soon. In the meantime, the average $200 to use it, to people like Gordon.
Yeah, I have got a lot to live for.
More than worth it. Catherine Bosley, 19 Action News.
Well, men have a higher rate of melanoma than women overall, and it affects whites 10 times more than African Americans. If caught early, though, some melanoma can be cured.